welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Items you will need: storage bins, crystal drawer knobs, hot glue gun or strong holding glue, 5x5 square mirror plates, and lastly, a cube organizer. Okay guys, let's begin! I'm going to start by putting together the cube organizer. Storage bin transformation time! Let's start by taking all of the bottoms out of the storage cubes. Now I'm placing a mirror on top of each storage cube. Let's get the crystal drawer knobs ready. Now it's time to hot glue the drawer knobs to the mirror plates. Let's get these plates glued on. This DIY project is so simple, yet the outcome is absolutely gorgeous. Time for the big reveal! Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!